Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Facebook feed and see more of what you love, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to mark a page post as not interested on Facebook using your PC, following the latest update. It's a quick and easy process that puts you in control of your feed. So let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, start scrolling through your feed until you spot a post from a page that you're not interested in seeing anymore. This could be a post from a brand, a celebrity, or any public page that's showing up on your timeline. Now, take a closer look at the top right corner of that post. You'll see 3 small dots lined up horizontally. This is your gateway to more options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A menu will pop up, offering you several choices for managing your Facebook experience. From the menu, look for the option that says, Not Interested. It might be a little further down the list, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Once you find it, click on Not Interested. That's it. Facebook will take note of your preference and start showing you fewer posts like this in the future. This simple action helps Facebook understand what you want to see more or less of, making your feed more personalized and enjoyable. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any page post that doesn't interest you, helping to fine-tune your experience every time you log in. So next time you see a post you'd rather skip, just follow these steps and take control of your Facebook feed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.